yarn, I always suggest if you're doing a cuff with it, do something tight. We'll do 15 rows. Oh, first I'll show you what I'm doing here. I could just twist the yarn like this to lock it in place, but then while I'm getting things ready, it may come undone. So I twist it like this where the yarn is coming from underneath and put it on the loop that way. Do that to a couple. That yarn's locked in. It's not going anywhere. So for the cuff of this, it is a rib stitch. Now I'm not doing, it's a knit purl rib stitch. So knit one, purl one, knit one, purl one for a row, and you just do that for every row. I actually am doing the official knit stitch, not the E-wrap knit stitch. So if you're unfamiliar with the official knit stitch, I'll kind of show you how to do this. Which I want to take this, anchor that. When it comes to knit stitch and purl stitch, your knit stitch to yarn is the working yarn is above the yarn on the loom. You pull it down through. Take the loop that's on the loom off and put your new loop on and tighten it. Purl stitch is the exact opposite. So that one goes below. Take the working yarn off and tighten it. So that's all you do. Which if you are too uncomfortable with the knit stitch, the official knit stitch, you can do E-wrap, purl, all the way around, but go ahead and do 15 rows. Alright, I've got my 15 rows done. So we're going to cast off, but something I wanted to show you. If you don't pay attention to your design,